So we just got into the BJ's, and all of the rumors of the Snowmageddon snowstorm is correct. Ain't nothing here. Ain't nothing here. The shelves are bare. They got no water. We're gonna go over there and show you guys. They got no water. It is crazy out here. Everybody, y'all better not be reselling that stuff. Here, no toilet paper. They done got all the Charmin. Look at this. Look at that. Y'all better not have no dirty butts. No water. Totally bare. It is crazy. All y'all drinking this much water? Insane. Can't be.
Yeah, look over here.
Insane. Insane.
Crazy. Y'all prepping for the world ending or something. Like, why is all the shelves empty? I'm done. I'm just done with y'all. It's crazy.
Ain't no chicken. There's always chicken. Some wild times here at the BJ's, man. Wild times. Like, I feel like we in the zombie apocalypse about to happen. Shit crazy, man. Crazy out here. So we're leaving the BJ's now. $100, and we barely got any food. Got cleaning supplies. Insane.
Ridiculous. It's ridiculous. No meat. Only got chicken. Literally, chicken.
This is what we got, guys. This is the only food. This is the only item of substance to put in our stomach. Those 2 things. 3 things. 4 things. That's all I got. All I can say.